What does it mean to walk a path in life? For starters, it means having a clearly defined vision of what is good in life. Straying from this path means being in error, and this is not based on violating abstract ideas or moralities, but on knowledge gained from direct experience. When I do this, you can say confidently, I feel like no matter what life throws at me, somehow I'll manage. And when I don't do this, I feel like I sink into a pit and can't find my way out. The Creekside Trail in Windsor's Shiloh Park is a perfect spot to go for a hike and ponder whether it's time for you to finally anchor yourself to a path in life. Rise to the challenge of walking it even without knowing precisely where it will take you, and you may still find yourself wondering when it ends. It ends when it ends, at which point it becomes a different kind of path, since the end of one thing is merely the beginning of another.